It is time for another Nadine West. Hey guys, let's just dive right into this. It is time for another Nadine West. My last bag, I had to keep the entire thing. This time, I am a little bit more timely. So I don't plan on keeping everything. And I did sneak peek online of what they sent me, and it looks like a whole lot of pants, which is actually good timing because I've been resisting all sorts of loungewear and leggings, and now that I am stuck at home for the foreseeable future, it's like, okay, let's bring on the leggings. Bring it, Nadine West. Bring it. Okay, let's start with the bottom bundle that was busted open. Okay, here we go. This looks like a cargo pocket. Oh, okay. It looks like a jogger or some sort of sweatpants. This is by New Mix. It is black, has a cargo pocket, and has kind of a cuff to it. So I like that. It looks comfy, feels soft, cute. Okay, next up. Okay, looks like a dress pant. It has pockets. It still kind of has a legging feel, so we'll see what it is like on. And then it has a button detail there on the pockets, which is cute. And it looks like a nice, comfy pull-on dress pant, so I'm happy with that. And then we have another pant, and I'm not sure if this is supposed to be dressy or for at home. This is by Evie, and this is actually a medium, which is a little bit surprising, but okay. Maybe it runs quite slim, and it's got pockets to it, a drawstring, and again, kind of a cuff leg here. So I'm not sure if that's supposed to be dressy or casual. I think casual. All right, next bundle. I see some purple. They still are in a very, one thing with Nadine West that people kind of, that was a jewelry box. Let's go ahead and get this open because never had a jewelry box from them before. Okay, this is a necklace, a very dainty but pretty necklace. That's a couple of layers here. So there you go, you can see it. Very pretty. And that, like I said, this one came in a fancy old box. So that's cool. Okay. The purple items. So, what I was saying was Nadine West is always a little bit slow to get with the seasons as far as changing their coloring. Although they tend to just run dark. They do have a lot of darker colors, so you tend to not get a lot of bright springy colors. So it is what it is. This is by Zanana Signature, and it's a tunic top, short sleeve, and then has this lace at the bottom, which is very pretty. So there we go. Okay, I do like the lace on the bottom. And then we have, okay, I like this piece. This is a long sleeve button down tie front top. So I like this. I think it's super cute, it's super soft. This is by West Coast Love. And I like the style of it, and it doesn't look too short or cropped. So I'm very pleased with that. All right, the final bundle here. Again, we have a black top by Zanana Signature, and again, a tunic length. I'm gonna have to put my feedback, really, that I do not like tunic length stuff. I get that, right now is the time to get some more, but it's like, I don't know, too much. All right, so it has this layered lace sleeves, which I think is very, very cool. And then just kind of a long length. So cute. Then we have kind of this pink and white stripe by Zanana Premium. Kind of a baseball tee here, which is very cute. And then has elbow patches. So I haven't gotten elbow patches in a long time, and I still kind of dig them. And then just straight with the rounded hem. Again, very long, super cute. I think that's what's probably gonna end up staying because I like that a lot. Then we have this gray thingamajig, gray cardigan, just kind of a drape front cardigan, very, very, very lightweight. It does have pockets in it. Probably not gonna keep solely because I've got a lot of gray cardigans like this, and it's so lightweight. I mean, I could wear it all summer long, but then I just don't know what the point of it is. And then we have some mauve leggings. And these might actually stay this time because I've been thinking I need some more color type leggings for being at home. Bazzolo is the brand. And there we go. Oh, and they have the moto style here. So I like that. Okay, not too bad. Oh, jewelry. First we have by Mare and Elena these earrings. I'm gonna call them Illuminati earrings. So very cute. I like these a lot. I've been very happy with the jewelry they've sent in the last couple bags, other than I had earrings that busted in the last one. But other than that, I've been happy. Okay, and then this has these bars here. Okay, that's pretty. So there you go. Necklace. I'm not mad at that. That does seem to be everything. So I am excited to try this all on, and hopefully it all fits beautifully and it's all free. No, just kidding. And all right, let's go to it. Okay, first out here, and I have all the pieces put into 4 different outfits. So this is my first outfit here. Now, starting at the bottom, these are dress pants that are more like leggings, and I got a couple of similar pairs in my last bag, so I don't really feel like I need them. Plus, these are a little bit long at the bottom and just too legging-like. I will say though, it does have this cute button detail here on the pockets, so I do like that. So it's not bad, but I just don't need them. And then the shirt, I like the baseball tee type style. I think that is very cute. It is a little bit big, just like in sleeve length and then even here, but I just don't even really care because I'm gonna wear this at home, and it's comfortable. It's comfortable. I don't mind oversized. I feel like I can picture myself with my morning cup of coffee with this tunic on and a pair of leggings. So I like them. I like these a lot. So I think this will probably end up being a keeper. We'll see. So let's go to the next outfit. Next up, we have another tunic flame shirt. And I like a black top because you can pair it with colored pants like this, and I like that. And I think the lace sleeve detail is super cute. Fits really well up here. So this quarantine has been good for wearing tunic style tops and expanding my wardrobe in that way. Not a whole lot because hopefully this is all very temporary. The leggings don't have a lot of support and compression to them, so I wouldn't wear them without something covering up my boom. But for just at home or with wearing with the tunic length, I think they work well. I think the moto style here is super cute. I like that. So there we go. Oh, and also good length. So I like. Okay, outfit number 3. So the cardigan, as I mentioned, super, super light. I have very similar cardigans to this already, so this is definitely not one that I need nor plan to keep. This one, I'm kind of on the fence about. So I think it's cute. I like the color of it. I like the style, kind of the V-neck. I like that it's not too loose, but not too tight. I think what's bothering me a little bit, and it is meant to have this tie on the front, which is cute, which I think with the material, that this probably has a decent amount of rayon in it, and I'll have to look at the materials on this, but I feel like getting this to lay right and not be too wrinkly might be a struggle. So it might be just if the price is right. But I think without worrying about wrinkliness, I think it's super cute. And I like it. The joggers are super comfy, good length. I don't know what to say other than they're comfy and I like them. So, okay, last outfit. Okay, last up we have another pair of jogger pants, and these ones are the ones that have the cargo pocket in it, so that does make it unique. These are soft and comfortable, so I like them. So, okay. And then this tunic top, I like the lace at the bottom. I think that's very pretty. I like the sleeves on it, that it's kind of a longer short sleeve. I think that's cute. Like the color, because it's one of my favorite colors. So I like it. I think it's cute. Again, not a huge tunic person, but we'll see. All right, let's go ahead and do prices and decide what to keep. And I'll tell you about some more defective jewelry that I got. Mwah, mwah, mwah. What up, my friends? Okay, so prices, decide what to keep, and defective items. So first of all, let's start with the defective here. Now let's see if I can pick this up without spilling everything. So I was super disappointed because I love this necklace and I think it would be super cute with some cardigans and jackets. I just really liked it, so I was excited about this. But I went to go put it on and realized that this is one of the ends. So guess I'm not keeping that. Now the other necklace I did not try on. This is not actually defective and more just laziness because I don't really think I'm probably going to keep it. Now, again, a cute necklace. There you can kind of see what it would look like. And I like it. I didn't try it on because it was tangled and I just didn't feel like untangling it. And it's like, I didn't love the necklace. I only liked it. So I did not put that one on. But what I did put on would be these bad boys. Yeah, love these. These are going to be my new favorite earrings. So there we go. All right, let's get these out of my face. Okay, so these are keepers. I didn't go through prices, Jen. So I don't know which necklace is which, but one of them is $24.99 and the other is $34.99. And I get a little annoyed because it's just not always entirely intuitive what price goes with what. And there's no code or anything, and they just pick some random names to use for stuff. So yeah, one is $24.99, the other's $34.99. The earring, this is $13.99. So great deal. It feels like good quality, things like that. So really, really happy about that. Gonna keep that. All right, so let's go through the tops first. So this is the V-neck button down with the tie at the bottom. And this is actually $39.99. So I'm considering keeping it because I do get 50% off. So it would be 20 bucks for me. So I'm considering keeping it because I did like it, though I am concerned about wrinkling. I was gonna look up the fabrics here real quick. So let's just do that. Yeah, 95% rayon, 5% spandex. So yes, it does have a propensity to wrinkle because of that. So on the fence, but I'm leaning towards keeping that. Then we have, they are calling this the Alicia top. This is the black tunic top with the lace sleeves, and it is $29.49. I liked it. I just wasn't super excited about it, and I think there's other pieces I'm more excited about, more willing to spend the money on. So I don't think I'm going to keep that one. Then we had the cardigan with a pocket, and it is $21.99. Too lightweight, and I already have ones that are very similar, so don't need that. Then we have the Dina's short sleeve lace bottom top, and this is $30.99. So there you can see that. That was pretty. Again, I wasn't just super excited about it, so I don't think I'm gonna keep that. And then we had the baseball tee type style. This is called the Brandy. It is $35.99. Again, I think I am gonna keep this one. I liked it. I just think it'll be a great stay-at-home type shirt, and because it'll be $18 for me. So I think that is probably a keeper. Now, let's move on to the bottoms. So we've got they're calling this the Macy Skinny. This was the more dress pants with the button detail on the pockets. And this is $33.49. Not gonna keep those, just really don't need them, and just not gonna keep them. Then we had the Sydney pants. These are $32.49. These were the joggers that were not the cargo pants. They were comfortable. I like them. I still don't think I'm gonna keep them. Then we had the Moto leggings, and these are $19.99. And I'm gonna keep these. These are unique, they're cute, and I'm happy to wear these at home. And then we have the Megan cargo jogger, and these are $28.99. And again, I liked them, but just not enough to spend the money on, because I do have other pieces I want to keep. So it looks like the mauve Moto leggings, the straight baseball tee, this earrings, and then maybe that plum button-up top are all keepers. So that's plenty. I don't need to keep any more of that. And then if you guys are interested in trying the service, you can get it, you can try it without paying the shipping/style fee. And plus, then you can get $10 off your first bag if you use my referral link below. Angela used my referral link, so thank you so much, Angela. Very much appreciate it. They also give me a $5 credit for saying they've noticed I haven't liked anything for a while. I don't know why they say that. I mean, my last bag, I kept everything due to time, but I don't know, maybe they have seen a video or something. So we have $15 credit, so that helps. I think that's it. What do you guys think? This was a decent bag for me. Definitely some pieces in here that I enjoy. I am going to put a styler note about maybe to stop sending me tunic tops, because that's just not really my thing. And overall though, I think it was successful. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, then I would greatly appreciate it if you subscribe below, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.